guys, I'm Arthur and you're watching Georgia 4Low. Today we're going to dive into the Vector 733 watt lithium power station. Okay, so we're just going to touch on some of the features on this power station. Again, we have two AC outlets down here, 120 times 2. They got a nice little dust cover on them. Not waterproof or anything, but it is a nice little protective cover just to keep dirt and grime out of there. Also, we have a DC outlet here, 12 volt DC outlet. It's got a nice little rubber plug as well. You have another DC port here, kind of an old school one. And we have our charging port here. You got two USB-A ports here at 3.1 amps. We have an 18 watt USB-C. And then we have another USB-C, which is the PD, which is power distribution. This is a 60 watt. This is for, you can actually recharge this unit via this port, but also this is for charging high output type electronics, laptops, maybe even phones, cameras. And it comes with a USB-C cord that you plug in here. And I've used this already to charge my laptop with. So this cord is included. Now you can use this cord to charge this unit, as I said, but you will be required to provide the 120 wall adapter to plug into this, to plug it in at home to charge it. Also, this charging port is a good place, or is the place, for your solar panel connection. We're actually looking for a good portable 100 watt solar panel that's small, compact. So if y'all have something, drop that in the comments below. I'd like to take a look at those. We've been just kind of Googling, trying to find something to see what we like. It does have, this is your power button. You also have your wireless charge. It also has this button here is for the light that is on the back of the unit. It's got 3 different modes and an SOS. AC button to actually turn these on. USB powers these up, and your DC button powers these up. And there's a nice little decal on the top that kind of reminds you of those. And it's all touch screen, just one tap to turn it on or turn it off. Also did come with an AC charging block, so you charge this up in your house. It just plugs into here. Plug it up at the house and you're ready to fully charge this thing. Okay, so we're just going to cover some of the features that they list on the box, which it is a nice full color, full featured box. One thing that's real popular about lithium power stations, there's no gas fumes, there's no engine. It's not like a generator. It is a generator, but it's like a battery powered AC type inverter generator in a sense. Has all your USB icons here, tells you what your wireless charging, your DC. It is a 444 watt amp hour battery. These are perfect for camping, tailgating, things of that nature. It does have a nice little soft handle on the top of it. Kind of feels like leather, but it's probably an imitation leather, but it's nice and pliable. Kind of folds out of the way. Got a nice, like I said, an LED light that's great for if the power goes out. So the box tells you everything you need to know about these, and I'll leave a link down in the description below. It even gives you a good estimate on run times for pieces of equipment, whether you got a cable modem, a mini fridge. We've actually used this before with our Ice Co refrigerator, and it works great. Power tools, laptop, I've used it for that. Gaming console, so it has a lot of uses. Recreational, DIY, or even power outages. And I'll leave a link below where you can pick this up from Home Depot. Okay, so I wanted to show you the display. One thing about the display is you have to be kind of indoors to really get a good readout on it, and it also auto shuts off. But it's kind of hard to read out in the sunlight with glare and stuff. But here's the display. It's got your output power, hours to empty. It's got a battery charge indicator over here, but simple touch screen. And it can be a little finicky sometimes. That turns on the wireless charger that's up on top, which is kind of cool. Wireless charge works. Then, you know, as you want to, you tap these. As you can see, it's a little sensitive or a little touchy. So you can tap these to turn them all on. And then the light Very bright LED light with a couple different modes. So turn that off. Tap on these to turn them off. So just remember, this is a little fussy, but it works well. It is just touch sensitive. Also, this unit has pass-through charging, which means you can charge it and also use the unit at the same time, minus the wireless charger. For some reason, it even recommends that in the owner's manual not to have it plugged up charging and try to use the wireless charger. It does not work. But all the other features, all the other ports will work while you're charging it. So it does have pass-through charging, just not for the wireless charger. As you can see here, we got the phone on the wireless charger. Output is about 6 watts. And it takes it just a moment to kind of dial in, but as you can see, we got about 62.7, 48 hours because the wattage went up a little bit to 8 watts, but you kind of get the idea of the power output. The fans on it are really quiet. There is nice little ports on each side. These are air in and out. Got them on each side. It's really super quiet, almost like a computer on a laptop, a computer fan, when they do actually kick on. Okay guys, so that is the Vector power station. Weighs approximately 14 pounds. And like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description below, but this is perfect for power outages, tailgating, camping, anything recreational activity. But make sure you drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and if you're using one of these, or if you're using something similar, drop a comment below, let me know. I'd like to be interested to hear what kind of experience you've had with the unit that you have. And also don't forget to let us know what kind of solar panel we need for this that is small, compact, and about in that 100 watt range. So thanks for watching.